Signage and print media moves fast in this region. New surfaces, new application, new standards every year. Today, let us take you through Intercoat by UPM Raflatac. Welcome back to SIGNHOUSE TV. Let's start with what's backing it. Intercoat comes from UPM Raflatac, one of the world's leading names in the industry. This is not just a small detail, and here at Blue Rhine, we carry it across the entire GCC. Wherever you're printing from, it's already close to you. Now let's talk about what is in the range. Because Intercoat itself is in the single product. It's a toolkit. Looking at something clean with zero glare indoor or vibrant outdoor, that's your mattes and glossy vinyl. And for full opacity, it's backed by grey adhesive. Running a short campaign, a pop-up, a seasonal window display, removable vinyl goes up clean and comes off just as clean. No residue, no damage underneath. For surfaces that cannot compromise. Multiple finishes, multiple jobs, all under one name you already trust. Intercoat by UPM Raflatac. Whether the job is a short-run indoor graphic or a long-term outdoor installation, this is a spec built for it. And it's not something you wait for weeks. It's stocked on the shelf across the GCC branches, ready to move the moment you need it. And it doesn't ask you to change how you work. Intercoat runs on Eco-Solvent, UV and latex-based inks. Wherever you print on, this material already speaks its language. Here is the part that matters most once the print is actually out in the world. Every roll of Intercoat with supporting laminate is backed by a 2-year warranty. Because premium doesn't mean much if it only looks good. It means holding its finish, its edges, indoor or outdoor. So matte, glossy, removable and its laminates, every finish for your next project across the GCC. This is Intercoat and is ready for your next project today. Don't wait on your next job to find out what this material can do for you. Message our team directly on WhatsApp, call your nearest Blue Rhine branch or place your order right now at bluerhine.store. Our team is ready to walk you through. No guessworks, no delays. Reach out today and let's get your next print moving.